How to adjust CCD screen.
First, we put one metal part on work table as reference. If CCD screen is not clearly, please check the lamp adjust into bright or not. If it is not bright, we can adjust it. In the CCD screen, it has one red cross. If the red cross are not parallel to the metal part, we need to adjust following steps. Use the Allen wrench to loosen the two screws here. The knob in the middle can be adjusted. The knob can be rotated and stretched, swing up and down and left and right. Then we can let the red cross be parallel to the metal part. If the CCD screen is not clearly, we can rotate the middle knob. When we use machine, we first adjust CCD screen clearly, then adjust the red cross and work part position. When the CCD screen is clearly, we fix where the middle knob. If the welding position is not together with red cross of CCD screen, we can adjust the middle knob, let it left, right, up, down, make red cross together with welding point. We also can adjust left, right, up, down by screen switch. We also can adjust left, right, up, down by screen switch.